Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Dutch iris bulbs. You should plant these beautiful bulbs during the autumn, typically from late September through November. This timing gives the bulbs ample opportunity to develop strong roots before the ground freezes solid. A successful autumn planting ensures robust growth and vibrant blooms come springtime, creating a stunning display in your garden. For the best results, choose a planting site that receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Proper drainage is absolutely essential for Dutch iris bulbs. They will rot in soggy conditions. Amend heavy clay soils with organic material like compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. This preparation creates the perfect environment for healthy bulb development. When planting, dig a hole that is approximately 3 to 5 inches deep, ensuring the pointed side of the bulb faces upward. If you are unsure which way is up, simply plant it on its side, and nature will guide the shoots. Space each bulb about 3 to 6 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and root expansion. This spacing prevents overcrowding and encourages healthier plants. After placing your bulbs, water them thoroughly to help settle the soil around them. Throughout the growing season, ensure the soil remains consistently moist, but never waterlogged, particularly during dry spells. Applying a 1-inch to 2-inch layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, helps conserve soil moisture and provides insulation. This protects the bulbs from extreme temperature fluctuations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.